Hi everyone. Right, this is a mixed starter kit. Somebody was saying that it could do a mixed starter kit, so I've done one. Now, in this starter kit, you're getting the wide lace that you can cover, but the boards or whatever you want to cover. You've got that wide lace as well. Now, I've given you a mixture of all the laces. And then you've got these little satin flowers, clusters, buttons that you can mix and match and put on your projects. You've got 4x4 chipboard, a large heart, small heart, mixture of buttons, mixture of ribbons. You've got a full set of the papers, tassel, and underneath that is a large piece of that fabric. That's a cotton. We've got some jewet, two iridescent heartstring, then you've got pearl string, you've got leaf string, you've got metal beads, a selection of stick pins, more pearl string in different sizes, rolled roses, a fairy on a key ring which you can dismantle, some silver butterfly, we've got that kind of trim, ribbons of all different colours. So a really, really good starter kit there. And or a top-up kit. It's completely up to you. There's plenty there. So if you want this kit, the price is at the end of the video, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.